In creating livable, safe, and modern home spaces and public places, choosing the right profile is more important than you think. Today, we will take you to systematically understand the reasonable selection of aluminum profiles from windows, doors, guardrails to handles. Aluminum alloy window profiles have become the standard for modern buildings due to their high strength, weather resistance, and beautiful structural design. Whether it is a sliding window, a casement window, a sunshade window, or a fixed window, Xingqin Aluminium provides a variety of section options, thickness, and color customization to meet different building needs. In terms of door profile selection, aluminum alloy is suitable for entrance doors, partition doors, and commercial door systems due to its advantages of lightness, corrosion resistance, and strong processibility. Xingqin Aluminium products also support thermal insulation design, which effectively reduces heat conduction and improves building energy efficiency. Aluminum is light in weight and is easier to carry and install than other heavier materials. Guardrails are not only about beauty, but also about safety. Our guardrail profile design focuses on structural stability and glass fixing mechanics, and is widely used in residential balconies, courtyard fences, shopping mall high-rise transparent boundaries, and other scenes. Small details, big experience. Don't underestimate a handle. It is not only the beginning of the hand-feeling experience, but also the extension of the space vision. Aluminum alloy glass door handle is a high-quality handle designed for glass doors, usually made of aluminum alloy material, with excellent corrosion resistance and strength. It is widely used in residential front doors, back doors, balcony doors, etc., providing convenience and beauty for families, as well as commercial spaces such as shops and offices. Our Xingqin Aluminium is a source factory for aluminum alloy building profiles. Whether it is door and window aluminum profiles or other aluminum profiles, we support customization of multiple colors and can also be customized according to customer needs. Through bending, welding, punching, cutting, and other processing services, we can meet all your customization requirements. If you have any needs, please contact us.